This Keller Real Estate and Insurance Agency property video is presented by Wayne Rathbun. Corner lot. This house is ready for you with an updated kitchen and bathroom. This home features 3 bedrooms and 1 bath. Very large corner lot with a chain link fence. An easy maintenance-free brick home with everything on one convenient level. The newer windows are Woodbridge triple pane. Relax and enjoy the carefree watering of the rain bird sprinkler system. For more information, review the details below or contact Wayne Rathbun at 620-792-2128.